Welcome to the Advanced Guide to Revolut Crypto Trading, where we will walk you through the process of buying, selling, and managing your cryptocurrencies on the Revolut platform. First, it is essential to understand the basics of cryptocurrency trading, including the different types of cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, and the factors that affect their prices. To get started with Revolut crypto trading, you need to have a Revolut account and a funded wallet. Once you have a funded wallet, you can navigate to the crypto section of the app, where you can view the available cryptocurrencies and their current prices. To buy a cryptocurrency, simply select the cryptocurrency you want to purchase, enter the amount you want to buy, and confirm the transaction. Revolut will then execute the trade at the current market price. Selling a cryptocurrency is just as straightforward. Select the cryptocurrency you want to sell, enter the amount you want to sell, and confirm the transaction. Revolut will then execute the trade at the current market price. One of the key features of Revolut crypto trading is the ability to set price alerts, which allow you to receive notifications when the price of a cryptocurrency reaches a certain level. This can be useful for keeping track of market movements and making informed trading decisions. Another important aspect of Revolut crypto trading is security. Revolut takes the security of your account and transactions very seriously, with features such as two-factor authentication and encryption to protect your funds. In terms of best practices, it is essential to do your research before making any trades, and to never invest more than you can afford to lose. It is also important to keep your account and transactions secure by using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication. Finally, it is crucial to stay up to date with market news and trends, as this can help you make informed trading decisions and stay ahead of the curve. By following these steps and best practices, you can become a successful Revolut crypto trader and make the most of the opportunities available in the cryptocurrency market.